Jojo Lapa, Namaste and good morning to all the students. It's me Sumitra Mahajan, an English teacher of Mangal Secondary School, Kirtipur Municipality, Ward number 10. Today, I'm speaking on this Newa FM 106.6 MHz radio education program conducted by Kirtipur Municipality, presented by Newa FM 106.6 Anak Media for Nepal Bhasa Academy. This program is broadcast on Monday. Yes, my dear students, we are going to discuss about the article today. Dear student, you studied the article in your previous classes too. You know that there are two articles. What are they? Can you say? Yes, there are two articles. Indefinite article and definite article. Yes, indefinite article mean or and is used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. They are indefinite article. Once again, or and is used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. They are indefinite article. Can you remember? Yes, now the example. If I say, let's read a book, I mean any book, not a specific one. The is used to refer to specific or particular noun. Therefore, it is called definite article. Once again, the is used to refer to specific or particular noun. Therefore, it is called definite article. For example, if I say, let's read the book, I mean a specific one. Now, we are discussing about indefinite article. That means or and. You know that the indefinite article has two forms, or and. Dear students, or is used before a singular noun. Yes, or is used before a singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. Once again, or is used before a singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. That means a plus singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. Consonant sound. Remember, consonant sound. A plus singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. Okay, the example. Can you give the example? Yes, a boy, a car, a bike, a European boy, a university, a horse. Yes, a car, a European boy, a book, a bike, a university, a horse. These are the examples. Now, where do we use and? Where do we use and? Can you say? Yes, and is used before a singular noun beginning with vowel sound. And is used before a singular noun beginning with vowel sound. Vowel sound. Remember, vowel sound. Now, and plus singular noun beginning with vowel sound. Once again, and plus singular noun beginning with a vowel sound. Can you give me any example? Please. Yes, an eagle, an egg, an apple, an owl, an orphan, yes, an enemy, an honest man. Yes, an honest man. These are the example. Now, the choice between a and an is made not the basic of the article of the first letter of the noun on the basis of the sound. Once again, the choice between a and an is made not on the basis of the first letter of the noun, on the basis of the sound. Not the first letter of the noun, but on the basis of the sound. Okay, student? Okay, singular countable noun, we can divide it into two. That means an, a, vowel sound and consonant sound a. Do you remember? Yes, vowel sound and consonant sound a. Okay, dear student, listen carefully. Listen carefully, please. There are general rules of using a and an. There are general rules of using a and an. Please listen carefully. We use it before a singular countable noun. We use it before a singular countable noun. Use a and an before countable noun when it is first mentioned and before it is particularized. That is, when it signifies a class of object rather than a particular object. Once again, we use a and an before countable noun when it is first mentioned and before it is particularized. That is, when it signifies a class of object rather than a particular object. For example, a dog requires careful training. A dog requires careful training. Yes, I will ask you someone, okay? I bought the new boy. I bought the new boy. Which article is there? Yes, a. I bought a new bag. She ate the orange. She ate the orange. Who can say? Very easy one. Yes, and she ate an orange. I have never visited that museum. Yes, a museum. Someone's professions or job. Next rule is someone's professions or job. Okay. Bina is the teacher. Bina is the teacher. Bina is a teacher. Before consonant sound, we use a. Remember it. Hira is the businessman. Hira is a businessman. Yes, a businessman. And the next one is Simran is the nurse. Simran is a nurse. Likewise, next rule is we use it with some numbers. Okay, with some numbers. For examples, I won the $1,000. I won the $1,000. What do we use? Yes, $1,000. I won $1,000. The next one, there were more than 100 birds. There were more than 100 birds. We use it in expression of quality. Quality also, for example, I bought a pair of shoes. I bought a pair of shoes. Now, next rules, we use of and with abbreviations. Yes, first letter processing vowel sound. And we use an. For example, here an ELT test. An ELT test, an MA, an NTC official, an MPhil, an NGO. Once again, an ELT test, an MA, an NTC official, an MPhil, an NGO. Now, using of an or. First letter processing consonant sound. If there is a consonant sound, we use a. For example, a CNN hero, a PhD, a BA, a BBC news reader, a VIP person. Once again, a CNN hero, a PhD, a BA, BBC news readers, a VIP person. Okay, it's a commercial break.
ভাষা সাইটে ওয়ার্তা শিখিয়াছ নেভার এফএম 86.6 National Dibudu Never FM 86.6 Neva Judagu Gaurav Yanajita.
Welcome back to our class 8 students. Just before we discuss about using article. Now use of definite article. Okay, let's move to use of definite article. Definite article means the. You know that the is used, the is defined article, definite article. It has only one form. We use the only when we talk about something which is already known to the listener or which has been previously mentioned, introduced or discussed. Once again I repeat, where do we use definite article? What is definite article? It has only one form. We use the when we talk about something which is already known to the listener or which has been previously mentioned, introduced or discussed. Now, the is used before both countable noun, uncountable noun and singular and plural. Once again, the is used before both countable noun, uncountable noun and plural. Okay. O is used in the second time. I bought a pen. The pen was very nice. I bought a pen. Again the pen is repeated. The pen was very nice. Okay, next, a unique object. Yes, a unique object. For the unique object also we use the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky. Once again, the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky. Now in this way, in superlative degrees also we use the biggest, the largest, the highest, the smallest, the most interesting book. Now, next, before ordinal number. Before ordinal number also we use the first, the second, the third. Yes, we use the. Now in this way, names of nationality. Before names of nationality also we use the Hindus, the Muslim. The Hindus, the Muslim. Before adjective. Before adjective we use the. For example, the old man, the small boy, the young lady, the big tree, likewise. And you also know that before musical instruments also what we use? Yes, the madals, the guitar, the piano, the flute. Now the next number, the parts of day. Before the parts of day we use the morning, the afternoon, and before holy book also we use the Ramayana, the Gita, the Bible, the Mahabharata. And next, before newspaper also we use the Gorkhapatra, the Rising Nepal, and direction. Direction, before direction also we use the east, the west, the north, the south. And we use the before ocean, seas, mountain. Ocean, seas, mountain. The Bagmati, the Mount Everest. In this way we use in these rules. Now once again I repeat it. Where do we use the for a unique object? For a unique object, for example, the moon. And before superlative degrees, we use the smallest, the highest, the largest. And in this way, before ordinal number, the first, the last, the second. Yes, remember it. And names of nationality, the Hindus, the Muslim, the Buddhists, indeed. Now next, before adjective, we use dot article. Yes. Can you give example? The small boy, the old lady, the old man, the musical instrument. Before musical instrument also we use the guitar, the harmonium. And the parts of day, the morning, the afternoon, the day. And for holy books also we use the Ramayana, the Gita, the Bible. Newspaper, before newspaper also we use the Rising Nepal, the Gorkhapatra, the Himalayan Times. And the direction, the east, the west, the south, the north. And before rivers, ocean, seas, mountain also we use the Bagmati, the Mount Everest, like this. I hope you understand and the rules and regulation of where do we use the a and the. Now let's move to our exercise. Okay, let's move to our exercise. Choose the correct alternative. Okay, choose the correct alternative. Okay, number 1, Rita plays ... flute well. Which article is there? Choosing from A and the. Yes, Rita played the flute well. The flute. Why the flute? Before musical instruments, what do we use? The. Yes, the. Rita plays the flute well. And the next is very easy one. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. The highest peak in the world. And the next, it is the 1 rupees note. It is the 1 rupees note. Which one is there? Which article is there? Oh, it is a 1 rupees note. And the next example. This is the book I like most. 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 And the next, Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean. Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean. My sister is the MA student. My sister is an MA student. Okay, this much for today. You have to practice from your book. I hope you enjoy this class. Before leaving here, I want to thank my technician friends. Goodbye. Save and goodbye.